Hi, my name is Michael White with 360 PM Pro, your property management expert for the Atlanta metropolitan area. Today's topic is hiring a property management company versus doing it yourself. There are extreme difference in both. I don't want to be prejudiced towards property management, but I would tell you that it's a lot better to hire a person that is a professional in this industry versus handling it yourself unless you have an extreme amount of experience. The number one reason I tell people not to do property management themselves is tenant screening. Tenant screening is a very key element in the property management business, and you need to know how to properly screen a person so that you would not be getting yourself into any litigations from tenant fraud, tenants that look for landlords that are strictly managing themselves that do not know the laws, and actually they may know the law better than you, and when you end up in court, they end up winning their case and you're losing yours. Versus having a property manager that should know the laws, know how to document everything, keep your I's dotted and T's crossed, because there's a lot of things that are going on out in the tenant landlord arena right now. There's fraud from people, identity theft. There's fraud from people that are taking over houses and moving in houses that were posted on Craigslist and said that it was by the owner, and it was not. And maybe you're out of town owner and you're trying to do this yourself, and that just does not work out. I've seen it where tenants have moved in properties after just looking in them, and then you have to evict them. A property manager which showing your property should be to alleviate some of these problems for you. And if you do get into a problem, show you how to get out of the problem. That is the main key. And always remember, hiring a property manager is a complete tax write-off. Do not think that you're losing money because you've hired a property manager. The profession is to be very well respected because of the things that are happening in the industry right now. You can turn on the news any day and there's fraud in the property management arena, where tenants have either defrauded by giving counterfeit funds and moving in properties, and you have to evict, to tenants making illegal transactions in properties and causing landlords problems, up to losing their property because they were not aware of what they needed to do. Also, we need to get into the maintenance of the property. I would think you should have someone that inspected their property and understand the safety issues as far as a property goes. You want to make sure that the property is safe. Smoke detectors are in place, rails are tight, all the safety issues that you would think you wouldn't quite think of, things that you may when you're living in a house that's okay. It is not okay when you have a tenant in the property. If someone gets hurt in the property, you want to make sure that you have the correct insurance, not homeowners insurance. You want to have a tenant insurance. So if you have any other questions about managing your property yourself versus property management, please contact us at your earliest convenience. And again, thank you. This is Michael White with 360 PM Pro.